Hello, today I'm going to make some examples for finding sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant values by using unit circle. Then I will use two spatial triangles to find same values. We have 16 angles in this table, but I will first find 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degrees. Then I will use them to complete rest of the table by reference angle method. Also, we can use cofunction relationship for some of the angles. So let me start with first unit circle. In unit circle, we know cosine theta is x value, sine theta is y value, tangent theta is y over x, and these three of the trigonometric functions, reciprocal of them, we can find secant, cosecant, and cotangent, which is secant is 1 over x, cosecant 1 over y, cotangent x over y. Yes, let's start by first 0 degree. Let me choose one color. So in 0 degree, we are here in the unit circle. So my x value is 1 and y value is 0. So we said x value is cosine. So my cosine is 1 and sine value my 0. By using y over x for tangent, I will find 0. Yeah, 0 over 1 is 0. And for secant, so it's reciprocal of the cosine. So 1 over x is 1. And cosecant is 1 over y. So 1 over 0 is undefined. Let me write it un. And cotangent, we have x over y. So 1 over 0, again, undefined. Yeah. For 30 degree, now we are here. So x value is square root of 3 over 2. And y value is 1 over 2. And putting all these in the formulas here, we will find square root of 3 over 3 and 2 square root of 3 over 3 and cosecant 2 and cotangent square root of 3. Yeah. And 45 degree, which is I like it because all is square root of 2 over 2, just the sign differences. So first one is square root of 2 over 2. Second one is square root of 2 over 2. When you divide two of them each other, I will get 1. A positive 1, not negative. There's nothing negative in the first quadrant. We are in the first quadrant, by the way. And then reciprocal of the cosine, we will get square root of 2. Reciprocal of sine, we will get square root of 2. And cotangent is opposite of the tangent, which is 1 again. Reciprocals. And 60 degree, so is 60 degree actually co-function of the 30 degree, but we can find it from here in the unit circle also. So cosine is 1/2 from here, right? This is x value, this is y value, and the sine is square root of 3/2 tangent, which is dividing two of them each other. I will get square root of 3 secant 2 cosecant 2 square root of 3/3 and cotangent square root of 3/3. Okay, now I'm here in the 90 degree. So x values 0, y values 1. Dividing them each other, I will get undefined. Similarly, for the second, I will get undefined. For cosecant, I will get 1, and cotangent x over y is equal 0. Okay, so after that point, I will find same values but different signs until that part. Why? Because I finished my first quadrant here, so I'm here second quadrant. So second quadrant we said same values with different angles. So I can say for 120 degree, which is here, 120 degree is same with 60 degree, right? Because let me show you. This is my 120. So reference angle here 60 degree. So it will be same with these values. So 120 will be same with 60 degree. 135 similarly will be same with 45 degree, and 150 will be same with 30 degree. Only difference is signs. So in the second quadrant we have negative x and positive y's. So I will find negative cosines. Same, all everything is same with the here 60 degree. So what is it? Negative 1/2. Negative 1 square root of 3/2, and so on. And only differences we said signs. So when you divide these two each other for the tangent, I will get this one is positive, sorry. This one is positive because its sign is positive in here. Okay, when you divide negative and positive each other, you will get negative thing, which is square root of 3. And here, similarly, negative 2. Here, positive. Yeah, positive because cosecant is 1/y. Y is positive, so this is positive. Same value from 60 degree. And finally, negative square root of 3/3. So all of them will be same signs like that, and I will get values from the 45 degree and 30 degrees. Everything is same. Okay, and 180 degree, so I'm here. I have -1 for cosine and 0 for sine. So tangent will be dividing y value over x value. It will 0. Secant will be -1, and cosecant will be 1 over 0, so undefined. Similarly, cotangent will be undefined. Okay. So we are here. So I can divide this part, like we are in the third quadrant now, and 270 degree here until here. I will find same values, different signs. So what is my signs here? Negative, negative in the third quadrant. And for 210, I'm here. So what is this? Reference angle is 30 degree, right? So I will use 30 degrees values. But for the sine and cosine, negatives. Yes. And this is 45 degree, same values. This is for 60 degrees, same values. So everything signs are same, and I will get the values from 30, 45 and 60 degrees. Everything is same. So what is the signs? For here, signs are negative, negative, positive, negative, negative and positive. Similarly here, same signs. And I will get the values from 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. How about 270? Here x value is 0 and y value is -1. When we use them to calculate tangent will be undefined, secant will be undefined, cosecant and -1, and cotangent is 0. And I want to rest because it's same idea, same logic. And for 300 degree, I will use 60 degrees reference angle. This one 45 degree and this one 30 degree. I'm looking for reference angles. And signs here, x values positive, y values negatives. So cosine value will be positive and sine values will be negative, and rest we can calculate from here. Okay, so I want to talk about a little bit with the spatial angle. So how we are calculating the same table from the spatial triangles. So we know spatial triangles for sine, opposite sine over hypotenuse, and cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent sine over cosine. It means opposite over adjacent. And we can use the reciprocals for finding cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So what was my spatial triangles? One is here 45 degrees, 45 degrees, sides are 1, 1, and the hypotenuse is square root of 2. And the other spatial triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree. These are right triangles. And the sides are 1, square root of 3, and 2. So I have 2 triangles. So how I'm gonna use these triangles to calculate 30 degree first? So I can find 30 degree from second triangle. So what is the opposite side? 1 over hypotenuse 2. This is sine, yes. And cosine is square root of 3 over 2 hypotenuse. Yeah. And the tangent is dividing sine over cosine. I will get 1 over square root of 3, which is square root of 3 over 3. And the reciprocal of them, I will get 2 for cosecant, because they are reciprocal, right? And for secant, I will get reciprocal of cosine, which is 2 square root of 3 over 3. And cotangent is reciprocal of tangent, which is square root of 3. Yeah. Let me find 45 degrees. So for 45 degree, I will use the first triangle from here. So sine is opposite side is 1 over square root of 2, which is square root of 2 over 2. Let me write it like that. And similarly, cosine is cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over square root of 2, but I can write it square root of 2 over 2. So when you divide these each other, because tangent was dividing sine over cosine, so I will get 1. So from the reciprocals, I will get square root of 2 for cosecant. For the secant, same, and 1 for cotangent. Yeah, I think I made the mistake here. Sorry. Here is different. For this one, secant will be 2 square root of 3 over 3, and here 2. Yeah, for here, using triangles, only you need to find sine and cosine. When you find sine and cosine, you can calculate tangent. When you find 3 of the trigonometric function from the reciprocals, you can find cosecant, secant, cotangent easily. And let me tell you here cofunction, a little bit about cofunctions. So let's say for sine 30 is equal cosine 60 degree, because when you add them, you will get 90 from here. And we can use this cofunction, but we don't need it actually. For the secant, same. 30 degree is equal cosecant 60 degree. So also we can use this information for completing this table, but I think we don't need it. We can use just 2 spatial triangle and then fill the rest of it. Okay, but we need a unit circle for this one. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. Yeah, so we will use unit circle for calculating this. I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.